If you get sore, achy wrists when you practice yoga, or if you're interested in building your hand and wrist strength to come into some of the more advanced poses, follow me because I'm going to give you the 10 tips to galvanize your wrists. This is called finger knuckle palm. We start on the fingerprints, not the tips, the prints, then lower on to the knuckles, especially the index knuckle mound. Make sure you claw into the fingerprints. Finally, the wrists come down onto the ground, but the first two parts of my hands are doing the same thing. Clawing into fingerprints, rooting into that index knuckle mound. So I'll start again. Finger, knuckle, palm. Finger, knuckle, palm. We'll do this about 20 times if you're new to this. And then make sure to give yourself proper rest. Skip the next day before you do it again. Once this is comfortable for you, you'll start to move the hands further forward, starting the process with the shoulders right over the wrists. The closer the hands are to the knees, the less weight that you'll have in your hands. So once you've built the stamina and strength, you'll start to take the hands further out in front. And again, doing this about 20 times each time to build that strength in the flexors of the fingers and the wrists. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next tip.